Sasha. So today I have an exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing the moving box from Scribble Prints Co. And I thought I would do this face to face because I thought it would be more fun. I haven't opened it yet. I'm super excited. So if you don't know, Scribble Prints Co. is moving like headquarters. So she came out with this giant box and it's like 3 pounds. Supposed to be filled with some really fun stuff. So anyways, it's supposed to be filled with really fun things, so I thought it'd be fun to do this as an unboxing video, face to face, and then of course I will show close-ups throughout the video. So let's go ahead and get started. Obviously I have no idea. I'm going to try not to look and keep it a surprise and just pull random things out. I treated myself to this for my birthday because my birthday was actually it was almost exactly 1 week ago. So I hope it is good. All right, so I'm opening it there. Okay, try not to look and give you guys a little sneak peek. First, I saw something like coming out, so I'm just gonna slide that in. Okay, so you guys just got a little sneak. So I think, how should I do? Maybe I'll just set it here and then we'll just pull out random things. Okay, so all right, so let's see if we got a ton of journaling cards. Oh, this is from her little summer TN kit. So I will go through this, some of these things as a close-up because I think it'll be a little bit easier. But yeah, this is from her little summer TN kit. I remember that. Looks like we have some journaling cards there. Okay. What else we got here? Feels like a lot. Okay, we got some really cute little sticky notes. These are cute. These are, I think, the Marg from What's One with Love drew her and Andrea as munchkins. These are really cute, so we got those. Let's see what else. It feels like a ton of stuff. Ooh, we got some foil. Looks like a Wiggle It foil in blue. I'm gonna look at this one. That is exciting. Let's see here. We got a little freebie that says dreams come true in silver foil, which is cute. Oh yeah, so we got a ton of an entire Wiggle It Wednesday set in the really pretty blue foil. I really like this. I've been using one of these this week, or for the past 2 weeks. I like hollow foil set and I love it. And then I got this green bright journaling card, which is super cute. So I really like that. I guess I'll just keep it out. Okay, we got some, these look like some die cuts from her most recent Galentine's collection. I think it's Valentine's Day or Galentine's kit with some rose gold foil. I do want to look at this. Let's see what we got. Got some cute little hearts and card. I also just like this. I really like this coffee cup one. I'm not like a big fan of Valentine's Day. I know that sounds weird. Like, I like Valentine's Day, but I'm not one of those that I need to celebrate it through the whole month and I need like an entire TN kit and like every week in February needs to be Valentine's Day themed. But this is still cute. All right. Let's see what else we got. There's so much stuff, guys. I like feel it and it's an insane amount. Okay, so I pulled out 2 things. So looks like we got a Christmas themed little bookmark set. That's cute. Oh, I got another one of these sticky notes. Let's see. Oh, I got a little magic pen. I already have one of these, but this is so cute. So I think I will take this one and turn it into a magnet. Love that. I love pens. Okay, we got another sticky note set with their little thing. You can see this one's a little bit of a misfit, I can tell, but that's still cute. Oh, I've been wanting the sticky note sets. This is the Harry Potter check boxes little set. I love this. Love that. It's super cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got a little Scribble Prints Co. patch. This is so cool. I've never seen this before. It's like a little sticker, yellow and gold, if you guys can see. That's cute. I'm not like a fan of gold, but this is really cute. And then we got a little, is this the tattoo? It's like a little gold bow tattoo. Oh, my cat's playing. All right, so I think these are the scratch and sniff peppermint stickers. Cute. I never got that set. Oh my gosh. I got an entire TN kit. What? Look at this. Which one is, I think this is the fall one. Okay, so we got an orange bow. Oh, this is like one of my favorite colors. Little charm bow. I love that. yeah, this is that fall one. So we got this little sticky note set, a little adhesive pocket, some die cuts, a ton of journaling cards, a little pen, red and gold pen, and then this looks like washi strips and stickers back there. That's pretty crazy. Cool, cool. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so we got some die cuts from that summer TN kit as well. A Sharpie pen, permanent marker in like teal color. Okay, there's like an old pen. It says Scribbler on it. Oh my gosh. This is like old school. That's cute. Okay, we got another pen here. Looks like a kind of, I don't even know, like tan maroon. Why did I say maroon? What? A tan and silver pen. I hope I'm not running out of time. I should check. Oh, we got another little pink and gold patch. These are really cute. I've never seen these before. These are super cute. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, so we got some more sticky notes, and it's like a marble gray bow theme. Okay, we got a giant pack of washi, so let's see that. A ton, 6 rolls. So we got some pink with her bows, and every rose, every foil color. So we got silver, rose gold, and gold. That's cute, even though I'm not like the biggest fan of pink, even though like I have pink all around me. I just realized that's funny. Okay, and then we got this marble bow washi, which is super cute. I love the one with the silver bows. So again, you got all 3. There's my cat playing. Oh, he just ran to the coffee table. Gosh. Okay, so then we got all 3 bow there. So we got 6 washies, which is cool, and then inside we got a journaling card. Okay, what else? There's a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna take out a stack. So it looks like we got an adhesive pocket, just a clear one, in kind of a weird shape, like it's supposed to go back on the phone. That's what that looks like to me. We got a floral sticky notes, and then this week's menu sticky notepad. Super random. Okay, I'm trying to grab it because I feel a lot of things. All right, so I got a brown Sharpie, another one. Let's see, we got some more pens. We have, oh, this is a cute little rose gold bow clip. And then this one says Planner Girl, little badge. Oh, we got a blue, I don't have this one, a blue and silver bow pen from School Friends Co. I love that. Obviously, why do you say from School Friends Co? Who else would it be from? Okay, so we got a SP magnet, like old school. And then, oh, I love this. A Le Pen pen in bright pink. I wonder if, oh yeah, and it writes in pink. That's really, really cute. I love that. Okay, so now it looks like we have a stack of paper. So I will open this, do a little close up of this, but this looks like this is the fall TN kit, which honestly I wasn't like the biggest fan of, but that's okay. And then we got a giant stack of journaling cards. So I do want to quickly like look through this and just see if there's anything that I absolutely love. There's so many. Like you have small ones. I mean, like every size. Okay, I love the Harry Potter. What's on the back? That one's all right. A lot of these I bet I already have. I'm just quickly gonna look. Let's see. I love this one. Okay, I already have this one too. I like this one, Harry Potter one, obviously. Love, love. Let's see. I love that. Okay, so that's good. There's a couple in there that I like. I mean, I knew when I got this box that I wasn't gonna obviously want everything. A giant pack of stickers, guys. This is what I was looking forward to the most. Obviously, we're all here for the stickers. Okay, so we got, I may obviously do a close-up, so I'm just gonna quickly look through and see if there's anything. Oh, that's cute. I hope I got some full boxes in here. Some of these I may be able to use in my personal life. So it's literally just a bunch of random stickers, which is, so a ton of random stickers there. And then, oh, it's like this is the end. Yeah, that's it. So then it's just a giant pack of paper, which I knew we were going to get. All right, so we got these like random sheets. Let's see, let's just quickly, I think this will be the easiest way to show you guys the paper. So let's see, oh, we got this vellum. It's all right, I have this paper. I like that one. Pink bow. This from the Halloween kit. This one, I have this paper. This one was her Cyber Monday one, yep. And this one. And then, so you get 2 of these. 2 of these. 2 of these. Okay, so that's everything that's in there. I mean, like, if I'm honest, I'm not like over the moon about it. I knew it was gonna be a bunch of random stuff. Like, she came out with a smaller box for cheaper, and I totally would have bought that one instead, but she didn't let anyone know that that was happening until after, which, I mean, I understand, you gotta run a business, but I totally would have bought the smaller pack for cheaper, because like some of this paper I'm not gonna use. I love you only got 1 set of foil, which I think sucks, and a giant pack of stickers. I like that you get the washi. You got so many sticky notes that, like, some of them I really love. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing. I thought it was all right, like I said, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you bought this, let me know if you got some really cool things, because there are a couple things in here that I am super excited about. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!